There are many areas of your business that require ongoing review and attention. We find a lot of business owners either don't have the time or the expertise to actually get things done. That's why we are here to help. This video will look at the major areas we want to speak to our clients about at least once a year. Ideally, we would be meeting with you 2 or more times a year as part of your planning process. The first questions we ask try to establish how your business is going and whether or not you as the owner are getting out of the business what you set out to achieve. We find that the answers to these questions often open up the doors to many of the other areas for discussion. We want to know what you are currently working on in your business, whether you are meeting your goals, if you have a plan in place, if you are happy with the amount of income your business is providing you with, if you have the right work-life balance, how you are creating wealth outside your business, and what measures you have put in place to avoid issues if something happened to you. We can firstly review your last year's financial figures and key items from the reports. We will inform you of any legislative changes that have occurred that may affect you and your business, and look at your current year figures and any tax planning strategies to implement. We can then look at various aspects of your business and advise if we see any area for improvement. Your business structure should be reviewed to ensure it still provides the benefits you were after when it was first set up. Whether it be asset protection, flexibility, or tax advantages, as things change over time, so can your needs, and a better structure could be required to meet those needs. We can make a recommendation, if necessary, and establish the new structures for you that suit your situation going forward. Part of the asset protection of your business is ensuring your personal insurances and estate planning are always up to date. These areas should be reviewed on an annual basis and often are forgotten about or put off because they're not topics people like to think about. Your will and powers of attorney should reflect your current assets and family situation, but also the structures you have in place, such as trusts or SMSFs, as they are not necessarily covered by your will. These also need reviewing to ensure the right people are controlling them if something happens to you. To assist with your asset protection, you should have in place life insurance, TPD, trauma, and income protection. And these should also be looked at regularly and updated if necessary. Your bookkeeping system should be used as a tool to grow and develop your business. Is yours providing you with the information you need to make day-to-day financial decisions? Is it something you would rather not have to do each week? We can recommend a bookkeeping system that will save you time and also allow you to prepare the reports you want, including cash flow information. We can also put you in contact with a bookkeeper who can take the burden of keeping your records up to date off your hands and free up your valuable time to work on your business. Having up-to-date, accurate financial information and freeing up your time can then lead to being able to develop your business. We can look at the way you raise and collect invoices. We can set up key performance indicators that you can easily track, review your systems and procedures, and monitor your profitability. We want to help you grow your business and be able to get out of it what you want. If cash flow is often a concern for your business, we can help you establish a budget within your bookkeeping system that you can monitor regularly and track how you are going against your budget. This can be especially important if a business is planning on expanding or buying new equipment, as you need to ensure you have the funds to meet these needs. We can review your current lending facilities and look at either refinancing or putting in place pre-approval limits. So if you need new equipment or you're expanding, then it can be done with ease. We can also look at your current debt and advise on ways this can be paid off more quickly. Once again, the cash flow of your business plays an important part in debt reduction. The business development and cash flow review leads you to be able to live comfortably and creating wealth outside of your business. As a business owner, you should be considering an SMSF and maximising super contributions. We can advise you if an SMSF is suitable for you and the strategies you need to put in place to maximise its use. You should be considering long-term strategies that will enable you to also live comfortably in retirement. Your business itself may be part of your retirement strategy, So we want to help you increase the value of your business and put a succession plan in place so there is someone who can buy it off you when the time comes. Once we establish with you the areas or concerns you would like to work on and review, we can put in place an action list. It may be an action list that will span over several years that we can work on together, but once it is in writing, we have your goals listed that we can help you work towards and regularly monitor and adjust as required. We strongly recommend all business owners meet with us soon. Contact us now if you would like to make an appointment for a planning meeting.